Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 10th of November 2024. I'll be going over this week. I can't remember the exact week number, I'll put it in the title. This week's results of the friend testing strategy for SPY. Now, on the 1st of November, we had a buy signal which would have given a small loss of $504.56 or 0.051%. The week starts for us on the 4th. What am I saying? On the 4th, we'll have a buy signal which would have given us a loss of 2,468.74 or 0.241%. On the 5th, we would have had a buy signal which would have given us a huge profit of $10,722.04 or 1.04%. On the 6th, we would have had another buy signal where we would have made a profit of $3,238.4 or 0.31%. On the 7th, we would have had another buy signal, which would have given us a profit of $4,437.62 or 0.424%. And on the 8th, we would have had another buy signal with a profit of $3,539.04 or 0.336%. Now, we started this week at 3.461% as our cumulative return and ended at 5.329%. So it was a profitable week. However, in terms of alpha, our alpha went from minus 12.215 to minus 15.033%. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.